Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I professionally whiten my teeth at home because of course I must DIY my teeth as well. No, but seriously, Smile Brilliant reached out to me because they wanted me to review their teeth whitening product, and I was so excited to do this because my teeth were yellow. So yellow. I have been a coffee drinker for 8 years and I was up to 3 to 4 cups a day. That's a lot of coffee that caused lots and lots of damage to my teeth. And yellow teeth is not cute. I was drinking coffee whenever I was tired, when I was happy, sad, when I was anything, I was drinking coffee. I live a very busy life, so coffee is my comfort food. Or maybe I should say my comfort drink. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little afraid and a little skeptical at the beginning because I had tried the whitening strips and they made my teeth very, very sensitive and they didn't make a difference in my teeth at all. But this product, guys, is the real deal. I am pleasantly surprised with the result, and there's a giveaway for you guys at the very end, so stick around for that. But first, let me show you how the whole process works. Once you order your kit, you are going to receive a box similar to this one. Inside, you are going to find 3 sets of impression materials, which are the base paste and catalyst paste, 2 trays, 3 whitening gels, and 3 desensitizing gels. And here's what you have to do. You are going to mix the base paste and catalyst paste by folding them in half continuously until it's all blue. And then I'm going to place the putty in the tray as even as possible and quickly as possible. Then you're going to start with your top teeth and you are going to place the tray with the putty in your mouth, and then you are going to position your fingers on all 3 points of the bottom of the tray and press into your teeth evenly. Then you're going to make the same process with your bottom teeth, and then you're going to mail your impressions to the lab. After a few days, you are going to receive your trays in this cute little box, and you are going to go ahead and start the whitening process. The whitening process is very easy. You can follow the instructions on the guide, but basically in a nutshell, all you have to do is remove the cap from the whitening syringe, and then you are going to apply a thin line of the gel to the outer surface, which is going to come in contact with the front of your teeth. Then you're going to put your trays on, and you should leave them on for a minimum of 45 minutes and up to 3 hours. For me, my goal was to keep them on for at least 1 hour, but to tell you the truth, I will keep them on for about an hour and a half to 2 hours because I will totally forget I have them on, and I will just go about my day with my shopping and getting all the crafting needs to make videos for you guys. So the trays are really, really comfortable. And that's pretty much it, my friends. 3 easy steps to whiter teeth in 7 to 14 sessions. And one of you guys can be the winner of a T3 sensitive kit worth $139. All you have to do is visit the link that I'm going to have in my description box and enter. I will announce the winner in 2 weeks. All right, guys, crossing my fingers for you. Until next time, bye.